Which species scare you most? Wild animals or insects? Wild animals would be your answer. But do you know many insect stings can cause many deadly diseases? Without proper treatment, some insect bites may even result in death. From velvet ants to red widow spider, here is the list of 10 most dangerous insects in the world. 10. Spiny oak slug caterpillars. Similar to the other caterpillars on this list, spiny oak slug caterpillars are equipped with a series of stinging spines that, when injected into a human skin, can cause pain, itching, burning, irritation, and redness. And though this creepy caterpillar sting is not considered lethal, those who are allergic to other insect stings should be wary of coming in contact with this creature, as they are at risk of experiencing an allergic reaction. 9. Maricopa harvester ant. The Maricopa harvester ant is a species of ant that is the most abundant ant in Arizona, USA, which known by the scientific name Pagonum remax maricopa. It's perhaps most infamous as holding the record for having the most venomous sting of all insects. The ant is about 5 centimeters long and spends its entire life in the desert areas. These ants have 2 pairs of membranous wings, yet they will not have them for the majority of their life. They construct huge nests that can measure more than 30 feet in diameter and 6 feet tall. However, this is only if natural forces do not destroy the nest or if it's not invaded by other ant species. They were created on the 6th day of creation, along with all of the other land animals and humans. 8. Buck moth caterpillar. The fearsome creature known as the buck moth caterpillar can be found anywhere in the eastern United States, but if you do happen to come across one, you'll want to try your best not to provoke it. After causing immediate pain, the sting from this caterpillar's multi-branched, urticating spines spread to the lymphatic nodes, where it has the power to do incredible damage to the body. In cases where the victims receive multiple stings from the buck moth caterpillar, hemorrhaging around the site of the sting, and even death in rare cases can occur. 7. Velvet ants. The Mutilidae are a family of more than 7,000 species of wasps whose wingless females resemble large hairy ants. Their common name, velvet ant, refers to their dense pile of hair, which most often is bright scarlet or orange, but may also be black, white, silver, or gold. Their bright colors serve as aposematic signals. They are known for their extremely painful stings. The sting of the species Decimutilla klugi, rated a 3 on the Schmidt Pain Index, and lasts up to 30 minutes, and has resulted in the common name cow killer or cow ant being applied to the species Decimutilla occidentalis. However, mutilids are not aggressive and sting only in defense. In addition, the actual toxicity of their venom is much lower than that of honeybees or harvester ants. Unlike true ants, they are solitary and lack complex social systems. 6. Sandflies. Sandflies are members of the fly family with mouth parts similar to that of the mosquito. Unlike their relatives, the female sandfly uses that mouth part to feed on human blood. Unfortunately, sandflies can deposit diseases into the bloodstream when they feed, and in the past, these creatures have been known to spread such illnesses as typhus and the plague, according to a study published in the Infection, Genetics and Evolution journal. 5. Pus caterpillars. Do not pet this fuzzy woozy. Despite its cuddly appearance, the pus caterpillar is actually the most dangerous caterpillar in the United States, according to National Geographic. Its fuzzy hairs are toxic spines that can stick your skin and spur a painful reaction. A pus caterpillar sting feels like a bee sting, only worse, entomologist Don Hall told National Geographic. The pain immediately and rapidly gets worse after being stung and can even make your bones hurt. 4. Arizona bark scorpion. Arizona bark scorpions are considered the most venomous species of scorpion in the United States, and not surprisingly, these scorpions are found here in Arizona and home across areas like Phoenix, Surprise, Mesa, and more. Most scorpion stings provide similar pain to that of a bee sting. Painful, but only severe and problematic to those with a significant allergy. But the Arizona black scorpion is different. These scorpions have venom that is harmful to humans, and although it's very rare to die from a scorpion sting, the resulting pain and discomfort can be significant. 3. Red widow spider. The red widow has a black abdomen with a single flattened red triangle on the underside. On the back are rows of red spots, each of which are surrounded by a yellow circle. The head region and the legs are red-orange in color. The red widow spider's web begins as a typical tangle web in the interior of a small palm or palmetto, but then continues as a sheet of silk onto one of the lateral open leaves. Red widow spiders are endemic to Florida. It occurs in sandpine scrub from Marion County to Martin County. Because of both its rarity and its beautiful coloring, the red widow spider is a collector's item for spider specimen collectors. Little is known of its bite, but its venom is probably quite toxic to mammals. 2. Brown reckless spiders. Residents of the South Central and Midwestern United States, watch out! Lurking in your woods and possibly even in your closets are small brown spiders with venom that can potentially make you sick and scar your skin, according to the University of Kentucky's College of Agriculture, Food and Environment. These arachnids, known as brown reckless spiders, aren't vicious in nature, but come into contact with one by accident. For instance, if you roll over one in your sleep and risk getting bitten. 1. Driver ants. No, they do not drive your car. They get their name because they're continually on the move looking for food. Their numbers are so enormous that they need a new food source every few days. Most of the deaths associated with these ants are the researchers on location. They are indigenous to Congo, where the native Africans have learned to use these travelers to their advantage. When they are marching towards their community, they will move to return as these ants move on. What they have upon return is spring cleaning. The floods of pets that plague their lives are gone, if only temporarily. These ants' mandibles are so strong, the natives also use them as sutures, encouraging the bite on the sides of the cut and then breaking off the body, leaving only the head behind. The victims of these ants are usually tethered animals, caged chickens, and infants that cannot escape the massive invasion. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe for more interesting videos. Have a nice day!